Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss what are the best low maintenance indoor plants that anyone can grow. First we should understand what are the benefits of having indoor plants. Indoor plants don't just look good by enhancing the overall appearance of your interior, they can make us feel good too. These indoor plants improve your mental and physical well-being in ways you probably don't even realize. Indoor plants gives positive energy. It reduces your stress level by refreshing your mind and body. And very important fact is that these indoor plants are very good air purifiers. So you breathe a better air when you live in a indoor where you have more greeneries. By surrounding ourselves with plants, we are able to create a sort of natural living sanctuary in which we feel more safe and protected. This indoor beauties will bring both color and fragrance to your home. The trick is just learning how to keep them happy indoors. Detailed video where I have explained each and everything about indoor gardening. So please watch till the end without skipping. When you want to start an indoor garden, you should keep three things in mind: potting soil, water, and sunlight. This soil or potting mix is not the same one which we use it for our balcony garden or outdoor garden. Good indoor pot mix is usually composed of peat moss, vermiculite, perlite, wood chips, and some sand, which will help in the proper moisture, air circulation, and it will give more nutrients to the plant. This soilless potting mix will protect the plants from pests and other diseases. Important factor is water. Proper drainage holes are very important to prevent waterlogging and reduce frequency of watering in winter. Maybe weekly once you can water, as the temperature is very low and growth is also compared to summer it is less. And in summer you can water once in 3 days or 4 days. Use room temperature water and you should water only in the morning. Allow soil to dry out between waterings. Water only when the topsoil is dry. When you insert your finger for at least 1 inch, it should be dry. Plants prepare their food only when there is a light. So sunlight is very important factor. Most of the indoor plants can tolerate morning direct sunlight but not hot afternoon sunlight. Better to keep the plants in the brightest spot of your room, like near window or balcony door, where they can get indirect sunlight. So let us discuss about what are the best and less expensive indoor plants to grow in any season. This is my favorite golden pothos. It is very easy to take care of this plant. It can filter formaldehyde from the air. Watering once in a week in winter is enough. In summer, you can increase the frequency, maybe once in 3 days you can water. Always check the topsoil. If it is dry, then only you water. Sunlight, they need bright indirect light. However, it can grow outdoors as well. But the color of the leaves will be little darker if you keep them outdoors. This golden pothos, they enjoy morning sunlight. So you can hang them on the windows in the morning, maybe 7 to 10 o'clock, so that it will be very fresh and healthy. Next one is peperomia. It has thick upright stems with glossy oversized leaves. It stores water in its thick leaves like succulents. Sunlight, medium to bright indirect light, but can tolerate even low lights also, but not at all suitable for intense direct sun. Next one is ZZ plant or Zamioculcas. If you are a beginner, this is the perfect plant because the care and maintenance is very easy. You can grow them in a small pot or a big pot. This ZZ plant is known to enhance cognitive function. That is the reason you might have seen these plants in office tables. This ZZ plant is also very resistant to diseases and insects. Sunlight, they thrives in medium to low indirect light. Watering, you can water the plant once in 10 days in winter, once in 5 to 7 days in summer. Next indoor plant which you can grow indoors are anthurium. This anthurium symbolizes hospitality with its open heart shaped flower, and it inspires happiness and abundance. So if you want to gift somebody for housewarming or birthday, this is the best option. Watering, you can check the soil. If it is dry, you can water, but never expose them to direct sunlight. Next is our favorite money plant. The dangling stems will add beauty to any spot. Let it trail down from heights, or you can grow them in a pot on a tabletop. or you can grow them in water and keep it in the bathroom. It will add elegant and fresh look to your bathroom. Next one is jade plant or elephant bush. This is also called a lucky plant. This jade plant is a kind of succulent with fleshy, glossy leaves that grows as a small bush. They need well drained soil. Maybe weekly once you can water them when 1 inch of the soil is dry. They need bright sunlight. Window is the best option. If you want to beautify any corner of your home, this Areca palms is the best option. This is my favorite plant also. Outdoors, these plants like bright filtered sunlight, but when you grow them indoor as a house plant, you can keep them opposite to your door or window so that they will receive enough of light. Like many plants, the Areca palms like moist soil, but they are very sensitive to overwatering and they cannot tolerate being waterlogged or sitting in a water saturated potting mix. So it is very important to check the soil before you water the plant. Next one is Oxycardium philodendron. For generations, this plant served as a mainstay in interior gardens. The care of this plant is very easy because if you watch for the signals, the plant will tell you exactly what it needs. Even unexperienced houseplant owners can handle this plant. If the stems are long and leggy with several inches between leaves, that means the plant probably not getting enough of light. If the leaves are yellow or drops down very often, that means the plant is getting not enough water or it is getting too much of water. Next one is peace lily. They prefer very mild to moderate light, so keep it away from the window or door. Leaves of this peace lily will sag a bit when it needs water, essentially telling you when it is thirsty. The peace lilies may be sensitive to chlorine water, so better to give filtered water. Next one is Dieffenbachia, perfect living room decor piece, whether it is office or home. This one will be the best option for the decoration. This plant needs filtered light, so rotate the plant regularly to provide adequate light to all the sides, but keep away from direct sunlight, especially when this plant is producing new tender leaves that are subject to sunburn if the light is too bright or shines directly on the plant. Next one is Sansevieria, also known as snake plant. This is the best air purifier among all the plants. This is very easy to maintain because it can survive in low light conditions, drought, and generally being ignored. They will even reward your neglect by helping to clean the air in your home. Actually, I need to repot this because it has produced two more new plants. Soon I'll do it. The next low maintenance common indoor plant is rubber plant. When you grow it in a pot, it needs bright indirect light. It can easily tolerate morning direct sunlight but not too hot direct light. The soil should be moist but not drowning. Allow the soil to dry out between waterings. The next common indoor plant which we grow even in balcony, that is umbrella plant or arboricola. The main health benefit of this plant is they remove toxins released into the surrounding air by cigarettes. Nothing more pleasing than really exaggerating a trend. Incorporating an abundance of plants is an interior design idea that can benefit your health as well as your eyesight. Hope this video will help you all to make your indoors happy indoors. Please like and share. If you have not subscribed, please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.